An Mungkai Samson Rangkal ang Warrior Dream Series Mumbai Triple Legends no represent Thain Thango national level tournament no ang gai under 54 o thungo weight under 18 no thungo ang bo ang final o sogui hari thanga ani opponent kisha tough tongmani bo kisha mane kaham thungo bo pro thungjak gai an to first time abon bagi ang kisha mane nervous ngai kisha hari thanga final o
ang Mumbai Warrior Dream Series an adult 74 kilo o ang final sogoi silver medal man phaika an opponent tough tongone bo ansei kabang kilo tongone but ang bona accept phaika but an amgi challenging onek an quarter kok but ang bona onek tough fight dika but split decision o boji thanga
Warrior Dream Series sangka Mumbai mo onek kotor event emne national level
harabose thangno Tripurani
jeng tinjona thangka Tripurani jodi coach mil khangkai charjona thangka ta category 5 under 18 58 kg ani mumung khai Ronojyoti Debbarma